This is Mud Truck's maximum destruction. All the crazy bits from years of time mud runs and freestyle competitions. The goal is to go as far as possible in the time or impress the crowd. That's why even if you have no wheels, you keep on going. These events draw huge crowds all across the US, and you can see why. A lot of these trucks have custom coilover shocks. Basically, they have shocks that compress up to 16 inches, designed to handle these big jumps. But that doesn't mean the axle always survives. Is it just me, or is it always the right wheel that gets destroyed? Some of these trucks look pretty banged up, but they're designed that way, full of roll cages and safety gear, and they're often ready to go again for the very next mud bog.
Hey, we've got a crash, Trek.
Masters of the mud bog destruction, we salute you.